Hi, this is Vignesh, working as embedded programmer in Spyro Solutions Private Limited. Here we are going to discuss about the project title RFID and GSM based relief supplies distribution and monitoring system. The main objective of this project is to monitor the parameters like temperature, pressure, humidity in the frequently disaster happening areas and transmitting the data on time to the control section. The database are stored in the PC. In the existing system, there is no such method to monitor the parameters at real time. Hence, we go for this proposed system. In proposed system, we propose a design to monitor these parameters, and these values are stored in the RFID tag and then transmitted to receiver section, and then it updated in the internet. This is the block diagram of our proposed system. This is the transmitter module. This setup should be placed anywhere at the frequently disaster happening areas. It consists of GPS module for receiving the GPS values and RFID tag in which the pressure sensor values, humidity sensor and temperature sensor plus GPS location values are stored. Processor used is ARM7 processor. It is a 32-bit processor, and this is the receiver section. It consists of one GSM modem for transmitting the collecting data to control section, and this is the RFID reader to read the values from transmitting section, and this is the PC section in which the all details are gathered from by GSM modem and updated to internet via PC. In this, all the parameters are instantly monitored and stored in RFID tag with current GPS locations. In receiver section, there is a RFID reader to read the values of every tags, and all the values are transmitted to the PC section via GSM modem. In PC section, it consists of one GSM modem where all the data are gathered, and it get updated to the internet. From internet, people can monitor the status of every locations. If we go for advantages, there is no need of manual work to check these all parameters, and it can be used in frequently disaster happening areas. Thank you.